students, welcome in our English online class. Students, in our previous lesson we have started a new poem of your English course book, and that is Good Books. Good Books is a personification poem. How can you say that? Because books are non-living things. But here in this poem the books has been personified, and here the poet is talking about the books. How books are helpful to us, how books can become our good friends. So in our previous lesson we have done the explanation parts. So today we will do the writing part, and the first is words to learn. So be ready with your English course book notebook. Okay students, so the first topic in this poem is words to learn. So the first word is friendly. Friendly. The second is together. 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 Third is friendship. First of all, the friend will come, and then afterwards this is a suffix ship. So the word is friendship. 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 The next word is comfort. Comfort. Next, advice. Advice. And the last is noisy. Noisy. So these words you will write in your notebook in a good handwriting. Now the next part is rhyming words. Rhyming words, as we have done already in poems also, the words which gives us similar sounds, that will come under rhyming words. The first one is own. Phone. The sound is similar, that's why they both are rhyming. Wait, late. The words are rhyming. The last words of the words are rhyming. That's why they both are also rhyming words. Row, no. It, stay. Read, need, day, away. Okay students, so these are the rhyming words. If you will look at this word no, here the pronunciation is no, but the word is K-N-O-W. So here the K is silent letter word. So while we will pronounce this word, we will not start from here. We will start from N. No. We will skip this word while pronouncing the word. But while we are writing, we will write with K. Okay students? Now this is rhyming words, and that words to learn we have done. Now next is rhyme scheme. We have done in previous poems also the rhyme scheme of the stanza. So here I have written one stanza of the poem Good Books. So we will read, and then we will look at the last word of the line. Then we will see that whether the words are rhyming or not, and then on the basis of that we can easily identify the rhyme scheme of the stanza. Okay students, so let's begin that one part. They will help you pass the time away. Now who is there? Books. In this poem the poet is talking about the books. So here they refers to book. They will give you advice if you need. You have two true friends for night and day if you have some good books to read. So here, now we have to identify the rhyme scheme of this stanza. So first of all we will underline or circle the last word of the line. Away. Okay. In the first line the last word is away. Next is need. Then third line day. And in the fourth line read. Okay. Now away. The first word we will give this name A. Okay. Now next is need. They both are not rhyming. So here we will write B. Okay. Then day. Now if you will look at this word day, away. They both are rhyming. Here also we have done day, away. So it means the third word of the line is rhyming with the first word. So here we will write A. Okay. Now the fourth word, read, and read, need. Read, need. They both are rhyming. Here also we have done in rhyming words. Read, need. So the fourth word is rhyming with the second word. So here we will give this name B. So in this manner we get our answer, and the answer is A B A B. So the rhyme scheme of this stanza is A B A B. So in this manner we can also identify the rhyme scheme of any stanza with the help of the words. Whether they are rhyming or not, we have to identify, then we can easily do that. So students, that's all in today's lesson. Have a nice day.